Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So have you ever been in a situation where you're confused on how to style your hair for an occasion? Trust me girl, I know that feeling, but the good news is that I've got you covered. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you different ways to style your braided hair. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope you join our little beauty family by subscribing and clicking on the notification button. And yeah, this is a wig. If you would love to have one, please drop a comment down below. My returning beauty family, thank you so much for supporting your girl. Please don't forget to like and drop that comment before you leave, okay? Yeah, this is more like a freestyle, so just tag along and enjoy the different hair looks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some kind of insights into how you can style your wigs. To place your order, you can DM in the comment section, or you can buy on Facebook Market. The link will be in the description. Please like and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and click on the video on your screen to watch my other videos. In the meantime, stay safe and I'll see you later.